So good afternoon to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Magma FinCorp share. So about Magma FinCorp, we have discussed in our previous videos regarding all the levels, and yesterday itself I have posted in the Telegram when the stock was in lower circuit. I posted that only risky investors add at that particular levels. So if you are able to take the risk, so then only I told to add this particular stock only in small quantities. So today also in the Telegram morning itself, when it was down almost 3%, I told a little buying is seen, and if you are interested, definitely buy in small quantities. So that is what I told, and after that it has hit the upper circuit. So what can be the next set of targets and what can be the next set of levels, everything we'll discuss. So make sure you join the Telegram group. So in the Telegram group, I'm providing various stocks which are giving some very good returns. So definitely visit once, join the Telegram and see all the list of stocks that we have discussed, especially Just Dial. Today it has given some huge run up. So much research is required for finding out these stocks, since I'm providing everything free of cost. So make sure you watch all the videos clearly and add to watch list. If you're interested, only do your own analysis and then only invest. Okay, so make sure you like the video and also subscribe. And people are new to the channel, they can also subscribe and join the Telegram. So now we'll discuss about Magma FinCorp. Okay, if you go to the Telegram, so clearly you'll see today also we have discussed in 9/11 itself, before the pre-opening. So that is before the market opening itself. So I told that only risky investors should add in this particular thing, and after that we discussed about Just Dial, and also Rain Industries has hit all the targets, and excellent movement was seen. Just in 3 days span of time, it has hit all our targets. Okay, and after that I told that I'll make a separate video. So today we'll discuss everything. We'll do the volume analysis and also we'll do the technical analysis. So many people were asking what is the average price of Magma. So I told I got 650 returns, right? So they're asking at which price you have taken Magma FinCorp. So let me show you. So I have taken Magma FinCorp at 15.90 rupees level, almost 7 to 8 months back. Okay, I did exactly the same thing, the same volume analysis to find the bottom of this particular stock. I have taken at that particular level and I've invested in good quantity. So I'll discuss that later as well. So after that it has given some good run up. After this Serum Institute one, again it has given huge returns. Okay, so I've discussed every time. You can see Magma FinCorp videos regarding stocks diary. So I've discussed near 20 rupees level itself I have discussed. Okay, it is not that I'm discussing after it has reached the 100. So I've discussed so many videos. So 8 to 10 videos you'll find on Magma FinCorp. So I've discussed many times. So now you will see many videos regarding Magma FinCorp. So when I particularly discussed about Magma FinCorp, so that time only I was the one who has posted videos regarding Magma FinCorp. Okay, so that much returns it has provided. So not only this stock, every stock, the analysis we do, it should have some perfection. So then only I'll suggest those stocks. Otherwise you can completely neglect that. Okay, so when you see the volume analysis, so clearly you can see on 23rd February, although you can see 100% deliveries have been achieved. So you can see completely the traded quantity has been reduced and deliverable quantity has increased. So that is why today immediately I posted in the Telegram that only risky investor add in small quantities, because ultimately the buying would be seen as the traded quantity has reduced and deliverable quantity has increased. So a clear cut indication was present, and even the market condition was in little positive mode. So that's why it has gone up. Okay, so further if it has any movement either uptrend or downtrend, so that we'll discuss. So that is not in our hands. So we are following the technical analysis only. So anything, whether when to exit or when to partially book your profit, so everything I'm updating in Telegram. So that is one thing you need to follow. So next, when we see what the indicators are suggesting, so first one indicator is RSI and second indicator is money flow index. So you can see both of them are in overbought region. Almost you can see 70.8 and money flow index is near 79. So continuous run up was seen in the stocks. That's why they have entered the overbought. Later little correction has come. All of us know that. So again it has uh, trying to go to the overbought regions. That is obvious because the volume has also increased. Okay, so after that, when correction has come again, the volume has started increasing, and now again it is shooting upwards. Okay. Okay, so when we go to technical charts, so you can see magma near 1112 rupees. So from where it has started correcting, so we all know that from 125 it has given little bit of correction, and it has gone to almost 106, 105, from where again it has retraced. So today only it has retraced, and if you see the two moving averages from where it has started bouncing back, it has given excellent movement. So continuous movement was seen in the stock, and also you can see money flow index has entered the overbought region. So strictly the support here is 105. Okay, 104 and 105, where earlier it has opened. So, and another one is 100 rupees. So 100 rupees and 104 and 105 are the supports, and targets and resistances. So these are two important things. So you can see one important resistance is near 120, another one is 125, from where it has retraced. So definitely it should go up depending upon scenario as well. So we can't predict anything. Either it may go down or either it will go up, but you need to see how we are taking the position. So how much quantities are adding at which levels is very important. So if you want to have a fresh entry, so try near 105, or if it opens today, try to invest in small portions. And people who are already holding, so definitely hold it. So I am also holding it and not do any selling, because further more potential is present. So NBFCs are all in good swing. So we can see almost every NBFC, whether it may be Aditya Birla Capital, so Magma Fincorp, so these are stocks which are present at low level. So it is an opportunity for us to add in small quantities, and then later on we'll try to discuss when to book the profit. So further, if you have any doubts, I'm answering everything. So regarding Majesco, so many comments have come. I answered each and everything in a clear way. So if you have any doubts, do message and join the Telegram, so that I'll update regarding stocks, when to have an enter and exit, and all the updates will be cleared. Okay. So until then, take care. Bye bye.